Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today I have a huge mystery bag of plush to go through. This big old garbage bag of plush. I paid 50 cents a piece for them. I purchased this from a viewer a long time ago. It's been a while. I'm trying to get through all my plush because my toy guy called me and he says he has another load for me to go pick up. So I'm going to be having another huge toy haul coming up in the next few days, so I have to get through all these plush, well, as many as I can. I've gone through about 2 or 3 trash bags the last few days, so I have been listing plush like crazy, and I'm trying to get through all the mystery bags so I can go and start all my toys, because once I get into the toys, I'm not going to be heading back into plush for a little while. So I know he has a full truckload for me, so I gotta get working on my blush. Anyways, let's get right into it. If I can figure out how to open it. Alright, there we go. Yeah, let me know in the comments when I'm listing my toys if you want me to go through like a box a day of what I'm listing, or 2 boxes a day. If you're interested, I can do some videos on that too. This doesn't always have to be just a plush channel. I know I asked for a lot of superhero toys and stuff like that, so he supposedly he's gonna get me a lot of superhero toys. Ugh. Sorry about the noise. Oh, all that work and it's double bagged. Alright, give me a second. Alright, I think I got enough out, but man, I was gone for like 10 minutes. That was a lot of tape on this bag, so it took me a while to get it open. Alright, let's start. Let's get into this. Really cool fur on this one. Look, it's like shiny. It's a Build-A-Bear. This is a really cool fur. There's something in his paw. Yeah, it's a really nice furry Build-A-Bear. I've never seen these colors on a Build-A-Bear. It's almost like a rabbit fur like feel. So if you know what that feels like, that's what he is. It's a Build-A-Bear, so I'll put him up for 20. I'll look him up though. He might be worth more than $20. But mostly all my Build-A-Bears, I just throw them up for 20 bucks. Alrighty, we have a bunny rabbit. Perfect time for that. We have Easter just around the corner. I've actually listed the bags I've been listing have been Easter. I listed like 3 trash bags full of Easter this last week. It's from the North American Bear Company. I don't think you can see it, but that's a nice brand. This doesn't look as nice as they usually are, but it'll still sell good. I'll probably put it up for like $22. Alright, what else do we have? We have the whale from Dory and Nemo. I forget the whale's name. Unfortunately, Dory and Nemo and stuff haven't been selling very well. Hopefully they come up with a new movie or maybe a different cartoon and they'll start selling again, but lately Nemo's been pretty lackluster, but she will still sell for good money, probably about $18. She has nice colors. Over there. Oh, they are packed in here. We have a Build-A-Bear Halloween. You can see it's a little munched. I'll beat it up some. But yeah, this will probably go for like $25. What else do we have? Oh, Steamboat Mickey. Oh, looks like it does something. I don't know. Let's see if it has batteries. And how do we turn it on? Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Well, you kind of saw what he does. He just dances around. Haven't seen these in a while, so I'm guessing this is from Just Play, so it's not the newer version I thought it was. But this is an older version, probably about 30 bucks for him. but I will look him up for sure. Oh, we have Little, I believe this is Littlefoot from Land Before Time. His neck's a little wonky. Poor guy, I gotta fix his neck. I'll just take the stuffing from his butt and just smush it up to his neck, and he'll be fine. Looks like he does something too. I'll have to figure him out later. Let me put him over there with all the mechanical stuff, and we'll figure him out. We have Teletubby.
Pinky Winky. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I don't know. These guys always kind of like creep me out. They're just weird looking. I've never really thought anything good about the Teletubbies. Anyways, they do sell for pretty good money. Hopefully I can get like $25, maybe more, since he, I guess. I don't. Yeah. What else do we have? We have WWF Gunned Tiger. Nothing special on him. He'll probably go for like $16 to $18. Throw him over there. Ooh, what a creepy looking Superman. Look at that. That's pretty bad. I don't think I've seen one that bad before. I mean, I've seen the Funko ones and stuff, but that's just weird. Anyways, yeah, probably about 16, hopefully $18 for him, but how creepy he is, I'll sell him for 16. Someone send me an offer, please. He's super creepy. We have Daniel Tiger. He's got his hand strapped, or what is it, a bracelet or something? Whatever. It's hanging on there. I'll have to fix it. But he's tiny, so he'll probably only go for like $16. We got a Taz from, and he has his tag, so nice little Taz. He's tiny though again, so you're probably only looking for about $18 on him. Who is this guy? Oh, it's a Neopet. Neopets do very well, depending on the Neopet. Some can go up to like $50, and even the tiny ones can go for like $20. So I will definitely look him up, but hopefully I can get like $25 for this guy. We have Thor. He's more. He looks like the Funko version, so you're probably looking about $18. Man, what is this thing? This is, and I have no idea. It's a longhorn bull with glasses. No, a Texas Longhorn, so maybe it's from the school. I don't know. No, hopefully get $20 for him too. What else we have? We have Catboy from PJ Masks. Almost forgot what the heck that was. Hopefully the rest of them in there we can just do a set, but I mean the Valentine's version might probably get around $18 for this guy. Let's see what else we have. Oh, we have Mrs. Potato Head. Their hair is a little messed up. I might put a dab of glue behind it if it's coming loose. I have the Eileen's fabric glue. Oh, it's upside down. But yeah, that works great. But she's been super popular lately. Him and her. So hopefully I can get at least 22 for her. That's my guess on him. Tiny Curious George. You're only going to get like 16 to 18 for him. He even has tiny cracking on the sticker, so maybe even only 15. Oh, get out of here. We have a long nasty hair for one. I think this is Donatello? Michelangelo? It's a turtle. It's one of them. You're looking about 25 for the turtle. It's one of the turtles. We have, this is trying to think. It's from Marshall. His name's Marshall. I can't remember the name. The dog's name is Marshall. It's off one of the dogs. It's a cartoon dog. Drawing a blank. There's Chance. There's Marshall. Whatever. It's from Build-A-Bear. I have to find the animal or it's worth nothing. I blanked on the name now. We have an Oakland A's hat from Build-A-Bear. Oh, we have a little Mickey holding. Yeah, hopefully get $18 for a Mickey with a rattle holding a pineapple. Okay. I didn't know Mickey had to hold a pineapple, but we have a Good Luck Bear. Just a generic Care Bear. Probably looking about a good $25 on him. It's from Carlton Cards, and they've made a bunch of them. So, and always when you get the Care Bears, make sure you check their little butt that it's not too scratched, and just make note of it that it has a scratch or not. We have Sully. Oh, it's Paw Patrol. Now I think of it. It took me a little while. It's Paw Patrol. That was Chance? No, Marshall from Paw Patrol. Man, someone hit me in the head. This is Sully from Monsters University. It is the Disney Pixar version, so I'm looking at a good $25 for this guy. Ooh, this is heavy feet. Really? I mean, I wish I had the whole set, but dwarfs, you're still looking at a good $20. Especially how nice this one is. It really has a really nice texture and nice feel to them. We have Charmander from Pokemon. We'll go and pull off the little like black specks on his toes and just fix up his toes. But you're looking at probably about $22 I'll probably list him for. What is this? Dr. Doom from the Superhero Squad. Not the best condition on this guy. It's probably just one of the carnival games, so I don't know why there's a pin on top of his head. Probably holding his hood on, so I will probably just glue it up if that's where it's supposed to go. But yeah, you're probably looking about 18 to 20 bucks for this guy. We have the Pirate Minion. I've had a ton of these guys. You're probably looking at just about $16. He's one of the smaller versions. So, yeah. Hopefully maybe another Minion movie will come out soon. We have Scooby-Doo holding a hot dog with mustard. Yeah, it is the strangest hot dog. I've had this one several times, and look at this thing. It's just... They couldn't have done a better job of making this hot dog. It's just terrible. But hey, it sells for about $16 to $18. It's Scooby-Doo. They did a terrible bet. They did terrible on that guy. Oh, talk about terrible. Look at this. It's like floppy and... this is the Princess Bug from... what's her name though? I don't remember her name. This is from Bug's Life. Surprised they haven't made another Bug's Life movie. I mean, it's been such a long time. Or at least a cartoon. Maybe they have. But hopefully I can get $20 her. But she's really wonky. I mean, she's big, but she's wonky. We have Pikachu. Pikachu is so oversaturated. If he doesn't have like something different on him or the old version, you're still looking at only about $16. Especially a tiny version of him. Poor Pikachu. They've made him in every version available. So we have a My Little Pony. Ugh, with the hair. Tangled My Little Pony, one of my worst nightmares. I have like a bag over there of just tangled My Little Ponies that I have not fixed them. It's just a pain. What I do is half fabric softener, half water, and I mean just comb it out, but it just takes a long time. So when I get the urge, I will do it, but not right now. Ooh, what's this? It's like a puppet. It is a rawr. Rawr. His hair's in his eyes. Looks like the Lion King. Oh, it is the Lion King. The Lion King, and there's something in here, so maybe he does roar when you hit his mouth. I will have to test that out, and if I can get him to roar, of course I'll show it to you later. But yeah, cool little Lion King puppet. Hopefully I can get like $30, $40 to that guy. Mario hat. I probably shouldn't be putting this stuff on, but hey, what are you gonna do? Can I get 20 bucks for Mario hat? Hopefully. I have Toad. Not gonna get tons for Toad. Probably like $16 for Toad. What is this thing? Oh, this is an Ann Geddes. Little sleeping baby. Some of these can be worth some good money. Other ones can't, but I'm hoping I can get 30 to 40 for them. We will see. There's something on him. It's something. Something ooey and gooey was on her. Him? Her? I don't know. Whatever it is. But yeah, they can go for decent money. And I do not want to throw that because that feels like it would break. This is... What is this? This from the Jungle Book? Not positive if this is a Jungle Book character. Doesn't say on it. It does say Mattel, so it could be. Know what creature this is? Let me know. Hopefully I can get like $15 to $16 for it. Maybe more, because it does have the hard face. I mean, it can go up in price. Oh man, who is this guy? Huckleberry Hound, that's it. Man, it has been a while since I've seen a Huckleberry Hound or a Snagglepuss or any of those Hanna-Barbera characters. Hopefully someone's looking for them and will pay up for it, and hopefully I can get like $30 for this guy. But yeah, I'll be super happy with that because I have not seen any of these guys in a long time. We have Raggedy Ann. Let's hopefully Raggedy Andy's in here. No, we just have a Raggedy Ann. It has nice colors on it. So it's one of the newer versions, so I'm not gonna get a ton for it. I'm probably looking only about $18 for her, but cute. Hopefully, I do have another bag that I haven't gone through. Hopefully, Raggedy Andy is in there and I can have a set. Charlie Brown, this is one of the homemade versions. They would cut these out of like, there's like a sheet, a big old sheet, and you would cut them out and you would like sew them yourself. So I don't think it's worth anything unless I find like the whole set of those guys. I have another Pikachu. Meh, throw them over there. We have a Minnie Mouse Beanie Balls. Not worth a ton. Probably about $16. Like I said in the beginning, I only paid 50 cents a piece for these guys, plus shipping. So I am happy with what I got. And we have this guy from Monsters Inc. I don't remember his name. I don't know. I'm not going to rack my brain here all day. I think that's it. That is it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care. Catch you next video. Bye.